Ashley here with hearthookhome.com, and today we are learning how to do a stacked single crochet. That's where you have 2 single crochets on top of each other to start a new row instead of having either a chain 3, which can leave a gap, or just a chain 2 and working into that first stitch. So as you know, when you are starting a new row in crochet, you have to turn your work. So either you can turn it this direction where the yarn is in front of you, or you can turn it the opposite direction where the yarn is away from you. For the stacked single crochet, I find it looks cleaner if I turn this direction so that the yarn is coming out of the back of my work like this. In order to make that first single crochet in the stacked single, we're going to not chain, not anything. We're just going straight into that first stitch. Pull up a loop. So now you've got your 2 loops on your hook like you normally do for a single crochet. So yarn over and pull through those 2. So just a regular old single crochet. Now we're going to go into the left leg of this stitch here and make a single crochet there. So just this left leg, just like that. Pull up your loop and now finish your single crochet. That is your stacked single. So now it looks like a double crochet, or it is the same height as a double crochet. I'm going to go ahead and go across, and we'll go into this first one here because this is a stacked single crochet as well. So we'll go into the top of that so you know how to place those stitches there. This substitute for double crochet works great when you're working on a project that has where the double crochets will be like on an inside edge, maybe on like a V-neck on that there. Helps to keep those edges super clean and nice and tidy. So when I get to the last stitch here, that is my final stitch of that row. I'm just going to go into the top of that there just like I normally would. Complete that double crochet, and now I'm ready to start a new row. Let's do one more together. I'm going to turn this direction so that my yarn is going away from me. No chain, no nothing. We're just going to do a single crochet right in that first stitch. Now going into the left leg here, we're going to do a single crochet right there. And that is it. That is all there is to the stacked single crochet. I hope you love this technique, and I look forward to crocheting with you again soon. Thanks for watching.